Hey guys, welcome back to Concrete Ninja. We got a little shed slab to do. We have Dave and the boys. I know it's pretty dark in here. Hey guys, welcome back to Concrete Ninja. Another day, it's Friday here in Australia. And I got Mediterranean fever in my fucking thumb. I'll show you the picture. But anyway, the day must go on. I'll try my hardest to do what I can. But we'll see what sort of video we can get. I'm just sitting in my car trying to keep myself warm because I've already fainted this morning already. Before I left to go to work, I had my Mediterranean fever attack and I actually fainted on the couch. And then yeah, once I had that, I was alright. And then I got to drive to work and to like an hour away. The job from my house anyway. Anyway, let's get into it. That's the job over there. Boys just sussing them out. It's all brackets, about 180 squares. Good morning, good morning. Yes, I got Mediterranean fever in my thumb. But the day must go on. Happy Friday, people. It is 6:03 and we got action on. This is the slab. Brackets on. Let's go. We got something going. I can screed with my broken thumb, but yeah, with the 14 footer too. Make it hard, make it harder. Alright, I'll show you one bay at the end. Alright, it is 6:37. We got rid of the first truck. I screeded it all with the 12 footer. Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? My farm is hurting pretty bad, but shit happens. I'll put you some time lapse over here. Alright, it's 7:15 and we're just waiting for trucks now. We've done 3 trucks. It took us an hour and 15 minutes to do 3 trucks with my fucked up thumb. And she's bleeding a lot because she's pretty wet. That was the only way I could do it, was make it wet. So my thumb didn't hurt too much. But my thumb's pretty good, look. It's still fucking swollen as hell. Anyway, that's my problem. I'll have to have a drink tonight. If I'm in too much pain, I'll have a drink and go to sleep. That'll be the go. Alright. It's a beautiful day here, but that's for sure. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Good morning. We got some in. It is 7:36 and we got concrete. But this one's not going to make it, so we're going to need a plus as well. So it'll take us probably 2 hours, 2.5 hours in the end, waiting for the trucks. Let's go. It's 8:08. So it took us 2 hours. That's pretty good. We've got a drain over here. It says nice and juicy. This is the drain. It all circles around to that pit. Just need a bit of a plus. She will be sweet. Might be able to get a shot for this maybe. Maybe wash up tools. It's all been bull floated. All good, Dave?
All good, mate.
Happy man?
Oh, yeah. That's the thickness of the... Is that this? Width of the cut of the rollers already.
Alright, it's 9 o'clock. That's washing up tools. I did the pit. We ran around the circle. Let me see the circle. Boys just did them piers over there as well. Johnny and Dave. But this is going to have helicopter. Well, a whole lot. We're going to broom finish the centre bit, broom finish this bit here, and the rest of it's normal finish. Got polished floor because it's got horses on there, so you don't want them to fall over. Anyway, thanks Steve. I'm going to show my car. Okay, this is where we started. And it was, what time we started? 6 o'clock. So it's 3 hours old, the concrete here. Look how wet it is. Still. Big hole. So yeah. I'm gonna go and have a rest in my car and chill out until it's ready to finish. So I'll see you soon in a couple of hours. Alright, it's 10 to 10 and I'm just sitting in my car letting my thumb have a rest. But yeah, we'll get into it soon. Alright guys, I forgot what time it was. I think it's 11 o'clock. And we haven't done nothing yet. We're just still chilling. Dave was just talking to one of his mates. Said he done a 350 square slab up in Queensland somewhere. And the concrete had to come 250 kilometers away. It was $600 a cubic meter. That's a lot of money for concrete. That's why it's good living near the city. Anyway, I'll show you when we're into it. It's 11:15 and I've hit this bit here. I'm about to hit the next bit. And all the boys are perving on me muscles, I reckon. Johnny's got the muscles, what are you talking about? 11:32. And they're nearly half broken.
Yeah, because I'm deserving. I'm really deserving of that 50 cents. I've already spent it anyway.
On cigarettes, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, I got a deposit on the back.
No, you cannot have a cigarette, Johnny. I'm not giving you one. Stop asking me, man. You scab every day. You're supposed to give up. I'll tell your wife.
No, I don't want a cigarette.
12 o'clock. 12 o'clock and we're half broken. I just broke a little bit down the bottom there too. I don't know why that went off down there.
Yeah, because we done that side first, eh?
Oh yeah, then you put that little bit in, then we did that other little bit after I did too. So it goes off just like how you pour it. That's why you gotta pour it in lines. If you can. It is 1:45. And this part's all done here. That part's broomed in the middle, like we said. The bottom part down there is broomed as well. Ray's just been ripping it up, doing flexes. I got that. I'll send that to the granny porn. That part there is broomed. We're going to broom the next bit all the way to the end, and this part's just finished on the helicopter. And down here. Looks good, eh? All good. Johnny's on the edges. I was trying to get to the edges with the helicopter, but it's not really doing it, eh?
Sorry?
There's too much shit on top of it, like this sort of shit. You know what I mean? That'll make it.
No, that's okay.
Yeah. You're doing a good job, Johnny, anyway. Beautiful. I'm going to probably hit this part here and work my way out there and there, and Dave's going to broom it. And then we've got the back bit to do. Cool bananas. 1:25. And she is done. Like I said, this part's broomed, and the rest is just coming up to finish. We don't want it too smooth because there's actual horses going in there. It's an actual stable for the horse. So, yeah. Oh, good. Beautiful. Boys all packed up. Time to go home. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Another awesome episode, another awesome day. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Like I say, don't drink too much, don't take too many drugs, and be good to your family. And leave a comment, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on Monday with these guys doing a setup. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. Bye guys. I think it's a trust thing.
Dad, can
That's
you hold
crazy.
that
I see what you mean.
like over there?
Are you serious?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, you do get a lot straighter. Yeah, hell yeah. How you doing that? Oh yeah. Yeah, you can kind of see.